Oh, hello guys, what's up? ithwitt, and I'm back. Alright, so guess what just arrived today? You already know it. You already know your boy ithwitt is excited. You should already know if you follow me on Instagram. Well, you already know what it is. You know what? Give me 1 second. I will be right back.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Okay. So for all y'all saying, get external mic. Get a mic. You need an external mic. I don't need an external mic. Not with this camera. But I got one. Anyways. For y'all follow me on Instagram, you already know I already own the mic. But I bought the adaptation. It's a base that goes on here. I chose to go with the base instead of the adaptation for one reason. I don't ever want to have to take it out, charge it or anything. I just keep the base on. But the base is here. And it's right here. Y'all see my adaptation right there. Anyways, it's all right here. And I blacked out my address. It's all there. So that's a bonus, guys. So, but it's all there. I'll see y'all in a second. Let me just boom, just like that, we're back. Some of y'all may guess what I'm sitting on. Just about me doing this. So what's good, y'all? Yeah, so I got the base now. Some adaptations will be needed. I mean, some adjustments to my base for the mounting the bracket I built will be needed. Well, as I said, I don't plan on using this mic thing. It's just for me to plug in a mic. I don't plan on using it. I don't plan on having it plugged in much because I don't have an external mic yet. I do, but I don't have a wireless mic. I want a wireless mic. I want it to where I can set my camera up over there and be able to talk to y'all and sound just like it does right now. Yeah, it's a little crazy, guys. I just, you know, it is what it is. It is what it is, guys. It is what it is. Anyways, guys, I'm up on the hook. Let's jump down. Ah! Just like that, we landed. I'm not sure how that's going to come out in editing. Let's go pop up into the shop because I got the air conditioner on. I got the air conditioner on, so I'll see you on the shop. Whoa, y'all recording. Y'all shouldn't be. Oh well. Get back. I want these doors shut. Hold on, guys. Y'all ain't gonna be able to see me for a couple of minutes. Yeah, I'm working on getting the light mod too. Just, woo! Y'all can see me. Ow! Fuck! That hurt. AC! What's up, peeps? What's up? You got the build of the channel right here. For all y'all who don't know, I build four-wheelers and bikes. Four-wheelers, bikes, tractors, you know. Y'all ask, why don't I do Copart cars? Why don't I do Copart walk-arounds? Well, not only is it kind of hard for me to do it right now, but because I'm not fixing to step on Randy's game, or New York's game, or I'd auction rebuild, TK's game. No, if I do it, it's going to be all the four-wheelers. No, that's going to be my deal, because I'm a specialty in four-wheelers. I can tell you a four-wheeler inside out, for the most part. And I've already edited the video that was filmed yesterday I thought y'all would have tons of wind noise, and I'm so sorry about that. Anyways, guys, without further ado, let's get straight up into this video where we talk about the projects. I believe this is going to be a video on the bike. I believe this is what this video is going to be on. Hell if I know. But the bike's still here. It's just sitting here. We looked into a boroscope and found some wows or things, which I need to send to New York and chat with him about it. It's crazy what we found. Got the bike right here. Got the build, which y'all saw yesterday. Still shoots flames. I want to get a wireless mic, which, if you want to donate to the channel, please click the link in the description below, as well as in the chat. Depending on, it may not be in chat. Just click the link in the description below. It says, please click here to donate. Click that link and you can donate to me. You can donate to the channel. I'll get the money straight and I will give you a thank you in the chat. Shout you out for the super chats. As you know, your boy ain't monetized yet. Your boy ain't nowhere near monetization. Your boy 2 years away. My watch hours have not moved all but 1 hour. My subs have gone up almost 150. Yeah, maybe, true. But my watch hours have not been touched. Did I leave those lights on? No, okay. My watch hours haven't gone all up but 1 hour. Maybe 3 hours. Okay? So, y'all share my videos out. Let's get them up. Let's get your boy up there. Alright? But, I'll show y'all a clip of what this base looks like with a microphone, because I do have a mic. I don't have a wireless mic yet. I'm looking at one. In fact, I have found a wireless mic I'm going to get. I found it. It's $120. It's $30 more than what I want to spend. But, it has great reviews. So, just like that, we're into the next clip. Doors. Yeah, I agree. What's up, everybody? We go in this shop. I've already been in there, and it's kind of cool. Plus, I turned on the fan, so it should be cool. But my mic deal dig today, so I may use a little bit of a mic today. We're gonna be pulling a couple things out and then shutting these doors again, because it feels good in here. Oh yeah, we're gonna pull some things out and shut these doors again. In other words, we're fixing to have no signal, so I'm hoping nobody's premiering or any type of crap like that, because we ain't gonna be watching it. We ain't even able to watch tutorials and stuff right now during this time. Well, we were over there working on the thing. No, I'm not. Now I am. Y'all can see my contraption still. I'm sorry about that, but y'all just gonna have to deal with this contraption deal. I actually like it with the doors open because I get more light and the footage isn't bad on this, because this camera sucks in low light situations. But by golly, I want to be cool over having great camera quality. All that matters is my audio quality is a bomb. Yeah. Alright. I am kind of sorry about the thing in the way. I'll come up with something. I'll adjust the contraption a little bit more here in a little bit, and I'll fix that real quick. Let me see if I can fix that for y'all, so that way it looks a little better, because I want y'all to have good footage. You wanna succeed good in YouTube, you gotta have the good quality videos and stuff. Which is crazy, but you know.
Hey, that air conditioner's got a decent.
I got a $200 camera. I might as well use it to the advantage of the channel, huh?
It's there.
Alright, so I got my contraption edited, so let's let him talk about another shop update of what he wants to do here.
Nothing.
Go ahead. Come on.
You just want your box by your bench.
No, you want to rig some stuff up and put some nice quartz that we got for free from a neighbor under our toolboxes, because...
Yeah, we got some quartz, so our toolboxes will be sitting on quartz.
Well, yeah, got it for free. We did not have no plans on getting it, and yeah, it was.
Just give to us. They doing a remodel of a place and said, "Hey, you might like it." I'm like, okay.
Our neighbor's an electrician, so he works at places, and he his work's awesome. We get all types of stuff, which is kind of we just figured out what we're gonna do with that. Anyways, this is the leftover parts from the governor. I have rewatched that video and I like one. I'll dislike two things, and that's the quality of the footage in the thing, because I know it's a low light situation.
I don't like the
I'm working on that, but
wheels being in there, and I'm gonna bring my toolbox down here, so we're just gonna put them on force.
he has a bigger toolbox than me, but it's gonna be cool when he has his toolbox, because there's tools I don't have, and I'm gonna be like, hey, you got them, and we don't have to always.
You gotta take this out to fit mine, though.
Yeah, that's the only downfall. Which I'm sorry about the clicking. I know that there's bad clicking. Please don't comment.
We're just gonna move this to this. And,
yeah.
Put
the two cans right here.
You can look around and pretty much figure out how this is going to get handled, because there's cubby holes shoved with stuff everywhere.
Yeah, we'll put the cans right here, Dad. We can screw those two lids right here, and we can have the cans right there, Dad. So you still could have your two things right there, just right here. Be fit. No, put these two right here.
I'm gonna put that whole board right across there, and then just use the three that's right there.
Alright. This is what we're working on today.
They bring 2 sheets of that quartz down here.
We're going to do some stuff with this today, guys. Like I said, I'm not sure what else is going to make the final cut, because editing takes about an hour of film sometimes away, but I do have some pictures of what we found when we looked inside of our borescope. I do have some pictures of it, and
I'm gonna look inside the intake and the exhaust.
Yeah, I have some pictures of and some video of us using the borescope of what we found. I'll put that in at the end of this video, if I remember correctly. I'll add it at the end. No. Yeah. We'll look into it. What we did find was a little concerning, but nothing that really, it's not like we found one was missing the piston, or the piston was broken in half or something like that. It was nothing that bad.
Found the expected rust.
Yeah, but we also found a little sludge. It's nothing that's too scary for us, but it still made it where it didn't clear up our understanding of why it's locked up, because it's not like we found anything that would, make it tell us that, oh, this is why it's locked up. No, it was just expected of rust, which isn't, it's a big deal, but it shouldn't stop the engine from being locked up.
Not that little bit.
No, not that little bit. Look, and this is the borescope we got. So, however the heck you say this brand, the Pisha Tech, Depth Tech DS450. It's the borescope we got. And yeah.
Damn.
Don't hit me with the thing.
This is the one we use on the.
This is extremely loud. We're gonna need air protection when we're running this. Like, wows.
So I've resolved that I want to just kind of.
So like I said, I'm not exactly sure how it's gonna come out on camera. I'll have to look at it on the big screen. On me, it looks a little choppy. But then again, it is the low light over here, because I don't have the. I could get filming lights, or it would actually be more of a work light for us.
Oh.
I am working on getting editing software for when we use this. I can put it up in the corner, but for now, y'all see it all at the end. I'm very sorry about that. Let's see, what do we got? What do we got?
That way we can.
Alright. I'm not sure how it's coming out, but that's the borescope right there, guys.
I got the bearings right here.
Yeah. Alright, yeah, y'all can see it a little bit. Let me try to zoom in real quick, guys, and see what I can do.
Yeah, we can do
Whoa,
like
I
this.
don't want to be looking at close up of your face, Dad.
We can do like this. So I can try to get it.
So I can't quite figure out how to get to zoom in, but y'all can see it, small screen. Y'all see a bigger screen of it towards the end of the video. I done forgot how to zoom in with this thing, but it's pretty darn cool. I like it. I'm all the way over here at my workbench right now.
That's where I'm trying to go. Down in there.
This thing has a battery percentage thing on it and jumps all over the place, so I just ignored it. This is good.
Looks good to me.
That's good, that's good.
Now let's look behind this clutch.
Now y'all already starting to get a little warm. Like I said, it don't help that it's hot in here. The air conditioner's doing its job, but you got some doors behind. Y'all know where the doors are, why not? And okay, not gonna lie to y'all. I'm looking at this and I'm over here acting like I'm recording with my phone.
Yeah.
It's gonna take a little getting used to. You should be used to it. I fly $4,000 drones for my school, from the school and stuff. So you know, should be used to it. But oh, see, he's over there playing around with stuff. He's looking in the carburetor now. Uh-oh, no signal. The USB cable came undone. And after talking with further more with some people, that like TK, he said with you, if you are walking away from the camera, you might want a wireless mic, but if you're going to stay close, which obviously I'm away from the camera right now. So, yeah. And one of the neighbors is out mowing, so we're going to stay in here until he's done. Oh yeah, let me also see him right here. There y'all go. Yep, the camera's getting a little warm. I still ain't got the right speed. Get out here. Yeah, doing four scope action. So good.
Sweet. Got a bunch of views.
Okay, let's bring y'all over here today. See, let this camera pull down for a little bit. He's over there doing something. What you doing, Dad? Looking at the Kickstarter? Alright, let me set y'all up on this tripod real quick so I can keep y'all from the AC. You know, I do like my camera. I don't really want to lose film with y'all overheating. And y'all probably are getting tons of noise, but I'm keeping y'all cool. That's my ultimate goal. what's up, everybody? He's fixing the rocket.
Oh my God.
So what's up, everybody? He's fixing to rock this. I'm gonna have y'all sit just how y'all are. I know it's a little crazy. Sorry about that. It's just that's the AC, and I don't want y'all overheating yet. So I got y'all in front of the air conditioner. Plus, it's a good view of us rocking it. And this is just an overall. What's going on with this motorcycle? Why hasn't there been footage on it? So without further ado, let's get straight into this. That too. Y'all probably won't be able to hear us well. I'm sorry. Yes, I have the mic and all that, but I don't have a 20-foot long mic cable, and I don't think that's smart. Black just. I'm looking at one that's $120. A little over my price range, but yeah. Yeah, this thing's just that heavy that we both have to pick up. Oh, here, let me do something. There we go, that shit got out of talk to you now. Yeah, that's a lot better, y'all can see it. Or something even a little more. Get that pole out, y'all's main. I don't think you want it right there. There's a hole right there that you have half the kickstand in, man. We both don't like this type of kickstand, but it works well for us kind of 3 inches. Try to rock some more. We got multiple right now. Well, fill up that marble. That transmission fluid, that would be nice. The stuff that can help break up that lower part, I don't think stuff will do. Oh, that's really wash that out. That'd be good. Now y'all get to see how much of a piece of pain in the butt this thing has been for. Y'all get to see, what, 5 minutes of us trying to get this off. Y'all get to see how much of a paint. Lift that. I'll see y'all in the office where I tell y'all what y'all are fixing to see, and then the outro. So, we're about to, I'm about to get back up onto this, and I'll catch y'all in the next clip.
Right there. See my dot?
Yeah.
Tell me where it's going.
I got video proof that it's moved, the whole chain's moving.
Right here.
What's up, guys? Y'all are on my phone now. Yeah, I'll show you the video here in a little bit there. The camera's up over there. I'm letting it cool down so I don't overheat, but we are moving in gear there, everybody, so we may have just freed it. I have, the dot is now going towards you, Dad. I got video proof right here, guys. Update.
Get the scope. We'll get the scope.
Now he's in neutral.
I want something in there. I want to feel it.
Okay, well, we did get that. It's moving a lot easier. Earlier, I put a straw in the cylinder head to feel the piston moving, because this side was the one we were assuming was bad, because it was the one that kept, when we put like WD-40 in it, PB Blaster, free all, Marvel Mystery. This side always had stuff left in it on top of the cylinder, and this side was always free, clean. Now that side's completely clean, because I tried to suck stuff out, so it still won't kick. So we don't know if the kick is truthfully supposed to go backwards, but every other Superhawk we see a frontwards kick, so it is a little bit weird, guys. It still won't kick, but it needs to be in neutral to kick, Dad.
I know. I'm moving the motor, but I want to feel it. I want to feel the piston.
Alright, guys, well, I'm fixing to start doing that real quick and let him start feeling the piston moves.
Have to sweet if it's free.
We think it's free. If it's free, I'll tell y'all here in a little bit when we both go sit in the office and we'll both talk about today's day. what we did and everything. This may be a long video. I'm so sorry. But you know what?
This thing has been a headache. So if this is free, sweet.
Actually, a headache is the child's word. The adult word for it, this thing's been a fucking pain in the ass.
Yep, I'm in there.
So we're gonna do that real quick. I'll see y'all in the office. Yeah, he's gonna try to fill it and rock it with him on there. So
I need something smaller, son.
I got it in there. And I know the audio is trash with my phone right now because I do not actually have the mic on my phone. This is for all y'all who are saying it's fake news, fake news, fake news. Can't argue with this proof.
Yeah, you can. The clutches could be slipping.
No, but you can't argue with the proof that the chain is moving in gear, Dad.
That would mean that could be the clutches are slipping. Okay. That piston's coming up, and it went down.
Yeah.
We're almost. Oh. Oh boy, this thing's been. Oh my goodness, man! A month. We have been soaking this motor and rocking it for
almost a month. We've owned the tractor for a whole month, Dad. We haven't owned this for a whole month yet.
I really need something smaller.
This works for me, but see if I can find him something smaller, guys. We're just gonna come drop this in right here. Okay, so let's hunt around for something smaller.
I think I might be kicking the wrong way, because when I go in reverse, the Kickstarter goes forward. When I go forward, the Kickstarter's going backwards. We might be.
So it might actually be a reverse kick.
It is a reverse kick. Got it.
So everybody was lying when they said the cb77 was front kick.
We're gonna have to.
So everybody lied to us when they said the cb77 was front kick. It's actually reverse kick. He just kicked it. Okay, guys. So this is a step. Let me find something smaller for him. Will this work? That's too small.
If you get one of the little hoses that's right there.
Dad, these are the same size as a straw.
No, the clear hose.
Don't tell me if y'all see it on camera. This one?
Yeah. Yeah, we might be moving that thing around. That big old thing there, don't go in there. No, but we can make it go.
So we'll adjust the kick, but if we can get this to fire, that would be awesome. Gosh, this thing has been a pain in the butt. Like, no lie.
Like, I'm been about ready to just take it to the shop.
That was actually what this video was going to be over. I was actually going to, at the end when we got in the office, I was going to explain.
I'll keep it, you know.
Yeah, I was going to explain why it's going to a shop, show y'all proof of why it's going to a shop. But now we got this, it's like, ignore everything I said in the shop update video.
Okay. Look at that.
Yeah.
Look, watch.
Bump, pushed up, going in. Look at this side, guys.
Down.
Down. Going up.
Motor's free. We're free. We need to change this Kickstarter, I think. I need some sandpaper.
Well, I bought sandpaper and you have sandpaper.
Yeah, we'll file them points, see if we have spark.
Alright.
Fuel line, you know, we will have to work.
Alright. Hey everybody. We're back on the actual Femi Palm now. We're back on my actual camera. Y'all were off of the phone because I'm uploading to something on Instagram, but we're reversing the kick.
I wonder how that dude had this going the direction.
Yeah, we watched a YouTube video, guys, and his was a frontwards kick. But it was so fun, and it was more than just his. It was 2 or 3 of them that were kicking their frontwards and start, and it was working. And then we watched other YouTube, and every other Honda motorcycle and every other bike was the backwards kick, and it's even dirt bikes backwards kick, guys. We were confused by a lot, guys, but we solved the mystery for ourselves. We do know some stuff about points now. We know how to follow them and do all that. Do we want to? Not really. Would we love it if the points are all fine and it was just distributor or something like that?
But I think we're going to follow. They're right. You don't have to take them out to follow.
I know. But I'm saying, be a blessing if we don't even...
Nice if we had a spark. That would be just
be like the tractor video all over again.
For a spark, have some stuff here to see if we're going to be able to kick it like that. It's going to swing out, swing like this, and wait, no, it's going this way. No, that's for kicking forward. That swings out. I got to turn some more. 180 degrees.
Yep, but y'all see it.
No.
No spark.
No spark on that side. Check the other side. No.
Alright, let's check the other spark plug now.
No.
No spark. And just like that, guys, we ended on a higher note than I thought we would. So, just like that, this video is over. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And right here, right before the outro, or after the outro, we'll have pictures of what we found and some video of what we found on the borescope. So I hope y'all enjoy it. It's probably a good long video. Should have been done too, yeah, but it's a good one. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. I put a lot of work into it, trying to make this good for y'all, guys. So just like that, it's over. And y'all, if y'all don't see the pictures of what was inside the engine after this clip and before the outro, then it's after the outro. So you might want to stay until after the outro, because there will be some clips. Maybe before. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching ithwitt, where you do what you got to do.